What's going on, family? It's your boy Damien Dupee back at you with some more epic wild content. You are now tuned into We Are Land Specialists, number one off-market YouTube channel that's focusing on infill lots. If you could be so kind to go ahead and go ahead and subscribe, turn your notification bell, and if you find anything valuable from this content, go ahead and leave me a comment. Couple of announcements. First announcements: if you are local to the Charlotte market and you want to uh, come check me out. I will have a meetup once a month on meetup.com. The link is in the description. Every Friday, the last Friday of every month. So come join me this month, October 29th, 6 to 8 p.m. You don't want to miss it. If you have any deals that you want to wholesale with your boy on, my hunting criteria is in the description. The deal submission link is in the description. If you want to partner with me on any deals, okay, I would definitely love to earn your business, and definitely love to create a win-win for me and you. All right, without further ado, let's jump right in. Today I'm going to be talking about how to run comps on Zillow, okay? I definitely want to kind of show you my framework on how I run comps on Zillow. Pretty simple, pretty self-explanatory. So first thing you want to do is you want to cut the price filter off because you don't want to limit what the sales price is. Make sure you do so within the last 12 months. Of course, you want to do lots of land. All right. So definitely want to do lots of land. You want to hyper focus on that infill lot. Okay. All right. So let's, this is actually, a live, a live training here. We have to do some. Okay, boom. All right, so let's check this person out. Let's see what they're working with. All right, so the APN. This is Nance Road. All right, so what county is this? 1 second. Mecklenburg. All right, Mecklenburg County. Let me see what's up with Mr. Michael Martin. All right, say he got a property on Nance Road. He got several properties on Nance Road, so I did notice that the APN number was not complete over here, so I definitely need to update that. But he do have 2 lots on Nance Road. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and update that APN, and then I'm gonna run a comp and show you my framework on how to run the comps. Okay. All right. Save. Let me go ahead and pop my notes open. 2 lots on Nance Road. All right, so I'm gonna just take basically the partial ID. All right, let's look up this property right here on Nance Road. All right, as you can see, it's zone R5. Looks like it's relatives own it. Looks like it's a husband and wife and a husband and wife. I don't know if they bought it together or. So when you got vacant land, ladies and gentlemen, and you do not have a complete address, you just want to click on a house or an address that's next to it. Okay. All right. Once you click on that, let me see what else they own though. I think they own this one. No, they don't. All right, but they for sure own this one. Okay, cool. All right, so you just want to click on the house, and you want to take that over to Zillow. All right, as you can see, it came right up. Yes, a house did come up, but no worries. So you just want to click anywhere off the screen, and then you start scrolling out. And as you can see, these are the comps right here in this little pocket. 52, 75. This is a waterfront lot. That's how I know it sold for that much money. As you can see, it has a boat slip. So you cannot compare your lot to that lot. So basically, there's a couple things you could do here. Okay. First thing you could do here is you can get another address and you want to look for the lot lines. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. It didn't come up on that house, but let me just try to get another address and show you what these lot lines is. And basically, what it'll allow me to do is see the activity in the area. All right. Hopefully, this house don't come up, and it did. That's not what I want to come up. Okay, here you go, right here. All right. So as you see what I just did, let me just go back slow mo. I clicked in the middle of that little picture, and you want to go to something called lot lines. Okay. All right. So basically, this is gonna give you basically like a glimpse of the area. And that's really, really good because you want to see home sales and you want to see if there's any vacant lots that traded like in the immediate area. So as you can see, homes are selling for 525, 515, but we need to run a comp. We need to get a number, okay? So basically, in order to get the number, I always recommend start at assess value. Start at, you know, assess value. But if you look down here, and this is very, very important when you're running comps, is that you look at the last sales date and the last sales price. Okay. So if you see right here, yeah, this lot is assessed at $57,500. The last sales price was $160,000. Typically, if I cannot get them nowhere near their last sales price, I run. Okay, it's a waste of time. I don't even follow up with them. I don't even try to bust a move. You know, I don't. I really don't, because I think it's just a waste of time. Typically, people do want to get their investment back or close to it. Okay, that is a complete haircut if I go in there and offer them 57.5. So again, Zillow will give you, you know, some comps, but not, you know, they kind of limited. So let's see what else we got on Zillow. So in this neighborhood, I'm seeing lots selling for like 49.9, maybe 85, 52, 70, 75. Okay. All right. So I am seeing some comps in this community, in this neighborhood. And basically, these are the comps. This is just right around the other side of the lake. That's it. Nancy Cove is over here. This is where our lot is. It's up here in this pocket. And these are the comps right here. So they're not too far. So I'm seeing 52, 50,000, 75, 53,000. Okay. So I'm not even going to assault these people and waste their time. Okay. Um, it's just not a, you know, a good fit for me. So I'm gonna kill this lead and I'm gonna go ahead and run some more comps for you, so you can kind of see my framework on how I run comps. A lot of people asking me, you know, how I run comps. I'm gonna actually do a video on PropStream as well as running comps on Zillow. And if I get any more requests, I'll run comps using the MLS. Okay. All right, so Michael G. London. Yeah, I think he overpaid for it, and I just don't want to lowball him and insult him. So I'm going to go ahead and breathe easy, okay? All right, this is another one, my property. So the lot will be on the market soon. All right, this person already listed their property. I wish I can catch it before it hit the market. And again, property address right here. And the way I would go in with this person is I'd be like, man, I could save you some commission. Okay. All right. So this property allegedly is assessed at 122. All right. So on the other side of Providence Road, I got like 199. All right. So I'm not seeing many comps right here for this one. But what I will do sometime is go to the county GIS and cut on the sales, the last sales, and that can allow you to get more comps, especially on vacant land. So let me just give you an example right here. Uh, Vacant land right here sold for 552,000. No, that's a house. Okay, it's just covered it in green. Okay, the sales. All right, I got it. I got it. All right, cool. Now I see. I see now. All right, so I'm looking for more sales. So you kind of can use Zillow also with the county GIS if they do have a last sales date function, as you can see here. You can go back, 10 years on here. I recommend the last 2 years, and you can do the same thing on Zillow. So if you're not getting many comps, you just want to go to 24 months. And as you can see, I see a little something kind of on this side of the street, 155. All right. And that's was this year. So that would be my comp right there. I would say 155,000. It's in this like this little pocket, this little subdivision. And if someone grade lists with a realtor, unless I know I can move it like lightning fast, I mean like 14 days, 21 days, I don't even waste my time. And the reason why I don't waste my time because typically when properties cost a little bit more, it takes longer for a buyer to close on it opposed to cheaper properties. That's why I like infill lots 50,000 and under. So again, this dude say he about to put it on the market soon. Go ahead, brother. Appreciate you. I'm gonna do one more for you, and hopefully you kind of get the gist of running comps using Zillow. It's pretty straightforward. It's not too many moving parts to it. Again, there wasn't many comps in that area because there's not a lot of dirt selling over there. But don't forget to do the lot lines to kind of see the activity over there in the market, and that will kind of show you what's going on. So always red is always active. Uh, Yellow is always sold. So if you're wondering what the red and the yellow mean, that's what it means. Sold is a comp, which is a comparable. Active meaning it's currently on the market either with a real estate agent, broker, or for sale by owner. Okay. So I'm not even messing with this opportunity, to be honest with you. I like to cherry pick and pick and choose which opportunities I go after because when I get them on the phone or when I send them my offer, I want to be confident that I can move this property in a timely manner and I don't waste their time and or my time. Okay. All right. So thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Appreciate all the love. If you want to do a JV with me, the link is in the description. I'm definitely open, especially anywhere in Charlotte. Holla at your boy. And I appreciate y'all so much. Thank you for your time. All right. Later.